Hello widget watchers, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see about how to create this default tab bar in Flutter. And after building this default tab bar we are going to see how to customize this tab bar in this format, so let's get started. So here I have my project, and here be sure to mark the use material 3 as true in the theme data, and then I have created a stateless widget called tab bar example page, so come inside this widget. And from here this build method first remove this scaffold widget and here add the default tab controller widget. Then come inside this widget and here first add the initial index as 1, which means when this will app open, user going to see the second page, because counting starts from 0. Here add the length as 3, which means we are going to show total 3 pages, then here add the child and assign it to the scaffold widget, then inside it add the app bar widget, then add the title for this app bar. Then here add the bottom property, and assign it to tab bar, then inside tab bar as the tabs property, and this will going to take a list of elements to show in the tab bar. So here let's first add the tab widget ABD, then inside it add the icon, and here add the cloud outlined icon, and I've added an extra list, so let me remove that so that this error can go. Now just copy paste this tab widget for 2 more times, then just change the icon. So here I've added 2 icons for the tab bar. Now if you save the code, then you can see the tab bar is appeared on the screen, but there is nothing happening when you tapping onto them. So for fixing this, come out of this app bar widget, and here add the body parameter, then here add the tab bar view widget. So this tab bar view widget is responsible to showing the body of the particular tab, then inside this widget add the children property, then for the simplicity of this video, here I'm just adding a center widget and a text widget, to just only show that the page switching is working perfectly. You can add your full-fledged widget here like Facebook and WhatsApp does. Now just add the 2 more center widget with text, because our tab bar is having 3 elements. Now if save the code, then you can see our tab bar is working pitch perfect as it should work. Now let's modify this default tab bar to something like Google Maps tab bar. So for that, first come to your pubspec.yaml file, and here add the buttons tab bar dependency, then tap on the pub get option to get the all dependency. Now come to the main.dart file, and here let's change this length to 6 from 3. Then from here remove this tab bar widget, and then here add the buttons tab bar widget, then here add the one required parameter which is tabs, and let this tabs be empty for now, then here add the background color property, and add the red color to it. Then here add the unselected background color property, and add the gray color to it, then here add the unselected label style, and here text style and just change the font color to black, then add the label style property. This is going to be the text style for the selected tab menu. So here add the font color to white and the font weight to bold, then here add the tab and inside it add the icon. So for the icon I'm adding a bike icon, then add the text label, then just add bike string here. Now just copy paste this tab widget and then change its icon to car and then change the string accordingly. Then perform the same operation for 4 more time, then if you save the code then you can see the new tab bar design is appeared, and it is behaving same as it should behave. But here is the problem, now if you go after 3rd index, the page will not switch, because in the body there is only 3 elements, so now just copy these 3 and add it 1 more time, then save the code. Now everything will work fine. Now let's modify this by a bit, so for that change the background color to deep purple, then add the splash color and add the purple accent to it. Now if you save the code, then whenever you will tap on any of these items then we are having a nice splash effect. Then let's do one more thing, remove these 3 tabs from here, and then change the length value to 3, then here you can also add the content padding for these tabs. So here add the content padding and add the edge insets to it, then add the symmetric padding to it, then add the horizontal and 15 to it. Now if you save the code then you can see these elements are stretched a bit. Now here also add the label spacing and add the 10 to it, then save the code, then you can see the spacing between the text and the icon is increased. So this is how you can create a default tab bar and customized one in Flutter. So that was it for this video. If you liked this video then please give us thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to Widget Wisdom then please do subscribe to us.